Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn a live photo into a video on your iPhone. If this helps you, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. So I'm going to show you the whole process. First, open up your camera and take your picture. If you don't have the live feature on, what you need to do is simply swipe up. Then you're going to select this little circle icon right here and you're going to press on live on. Now what you're going to do is take your live photo. Once you take your live photo, you're going to go ahead and open it. As you can see, if I press in the live photo, I'm able to see some movement, but I'm only able to see it as a photo. So now we're going to turn it into a video. The only thing you need to do is to press on the three dots that you see on the top right corner of your screen, and you're going to select save as video. It might take a few seconds, but after that, you have a whole video of your live photo saved on your camera roll. And that's how we turn this image into this video. And that's it. I hope this video helped you. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below. Bye.